What's up, Gene here. Welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to talk about the power of using TikTok to grow your YouTube channel. Now, before we continue, if you are new here to my channel, we talk about real estate investing, personal financing, and investing as a whole. And also, if you are from TikTok, I just want to say I appreciate you. I thank you for checking out my channel and for supporting my channel. First off, I want to give a huge shout out to Anthony McLemore, who I first discovered his video where he's talking about growing his YouTube channel on TikTok. On the time of his video, he had 3,000 subscribers. Then currently right now, he had 22,000 subscribers. So and basically overnight he jumped to about 10,000 subscribers and now to about 15,000 subscribers, and that is crazy. And in this video he mentioned a quote by Gary Vee where TikTok is the only platform where you can go without having following base to basically get 1 million views overnight. Seeing his video, I was like, okay, so TikTok is real. And looking at my YouTube channel, I was stuck at a moment at 685 subscribers. So I was like, man, okay, I'm gonna do this to grow my fan base, to basically grow my YouTube channel. So I went ahead and created a TikTok on that very same day. And the date was Thursday, March the 4th. So I followed his TikTok concept of basically him feeling underappreciated. His video was about just him basically spending hours and hours of editing and creating his YouTube videos just for it to get 0 views. And that really correlated for myself. I know it correlated with a lot of you small YouTubers like myself, where you spent all this time doing your research, then creating your video, creating a thumbnail, and then you drop your video thinking that you are going to get views. Then days go by and you don't get any views. So on that very same day, I dropped my video concept thinking nothing of it. Like I said, I had 0 following. That was my first TikTok video. I just created my TikTok, so I didn't really expect much. Then boom, I waited, then my phone started to blow up. So I started getting a lot of comments. Then I started to see that a lot of people went and checked out my YouTube channel. They started to watch the videos. They provided a lot of encouraging comments. I was like, what is this? And the video that I dropped at that time, currently it has 4,000 plus views. Although I didn't go viral like Anthony video, it's still providing me a lot of support. I still gained around 44 subscribers. At this time, I'm at 800 subscribers. Like I said, I went from 685. I was stuck on there for about 4 months. And my video views went from 25 views to 225 views. So people really watch the video, they really comment on the video, and my likes went from 5 likes to all the way to 95 likes. So they showed so much support. And yes, some people did check out my channel, they did comment, they did support, but some also unsubscribed because it's expected if they're not related to the content. But I still appreciate that they check my channel also. So guys, if you're going to do this, don't be scared that you're not going to reach the right audience, because if the people like your content, they are going to stay. If not, they're going to go. That's the power of it. But the main thing is the exposure. Don't forget to follow my TikTok. It is the same name here as Gene Dagobert. And on TikTok, it's not just about just entertainment. Like me, I'm in the finance field. I started creating content on TikTok as far as in the finance field, and it's really working. Like all my videos are getting thousands of views, and my following is growing on there. And like I said, I started with 0 following. Nobody was following me. In just the amount of 4 or 5 days, I've had like 253 followers, and it is just mind-blowing. I was really pushed back. I was really touched of the amount of support that I was getting. So I thought that I had to share this with you guys. If you're a small YouTuber, keep fighting. Your channel is going to blow up, and don't give up. Like I said, I was stuck at 685 subscribers for about 4 months. It only takes one video, it only takes one opportunity. Your channel can blow up also. And the next goal for this channel is for us to get it to 1,000 views and 4,000 watch hours. I would really appreciate it. And if you gain anything from this video, please go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any other question for me. I'm here to help. I'm here to provide free game. And as always, please be safe, be healthy. Peace be with you.